But good morning, guys. It's October, actually November 3rd, and I'm getting ready to head out. Uh, Go meet up with my brothers and a sister-in-law, nephew, and we're gonna have a friend that's gonna go with us today. So, um, since deer season's over, we're probably gonna do some small game, squirrels and probably some quails, and we'll see how we do today. I'll see you guys when I get there. Guessing up at our local AM/PM. We're gonna head out. We are on our way, and there's 6 of us. There's supposed to be 8 of us, but 2 couldn't make it. So here we are. We'll see you when we get up there. Okay, we just arrived, and it is still pitch dark out here right now. Yeah, I mean, you can see maybe some stars up there, but that's it. We're probably gonna wait for a bit until the light comes in, and we'll go stake out. Okay, we now can start seeing some light, and we're probably gonna hike up here. It's a little bit dark, but we're gonna go sit up there and wait. And there's a water hole right here, and so they're probably gonna come down here and drink water from this little stream right here. So hopefully we have some luck today, you know. I'm gonna hike up. It's almost time. Okay, it's about 7:40 right now. Daylight just starting to show. So hopefully we get some squirrel coming out soon. I mean, it's a pretty nice area. This is our new location, so hopefully there's squirrel around here. Looks like something's coming down there. Right over here. I can hear it coming down. Can't see anything yet. Nothing's coming out up there, so we're gonna, instead of them coming to us, we're gonna go to them. So we'll see you guys soon. We've been hiking for a while now, and it's actually a very enjoyable hike down. Well, got one so far. Dang, this guy. Good size. Look at that. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. Whew. Yeah. Had 2 down. Right over there. Too dark. Go that way a little bit. There you go. That's nice. Gotta hike this hill. Look at that. But this is California hunting for you guys. Well, gotta walk up to at different areas. We're gonna go up the road and maybe walk down, find a place to hang out for a bit and see if there's anything. We found a new spot. Doesn't look like there's any squirrels around, so I'm at the head back. Been waiting for a while. Nothing. Yeah. I guess there's none here, so I think they're probably still spooked because their season was just over like a week, 2 weeks ago. So I walk back to the car. I'm gonna go grab lunch and then try a different place. This is Joe. Z-Man, Poop. I'm brother-in-law. My sister-in-law's over there somewhere. And of course me. We're bringing for lunch. What?
All sardines.
This is herring. This is sardine. Lunch out in nature is always good. Okay, we are done with lunch. We're gonna take a break for a bit, and then we're gonna head out and do some more squirrel hunting. Okay, just got mountain quail, which is nice. Whew, dude, we lost about 7 or 8 squirrels today, but now it's time for quails. Gotta hike up that hill right there, man. Charlotte, super tired coming back up. Another squirrels, man. Whew. Got a squirrel and a quail. Dang, coming up this hill is freaking hard. Dang. Whew. This guy. Wow. Chase this guy down. Whew. Oh, yeah. That was insane trekking. Got him pretty good. All right, it's about 5 o'clock right now, and we are heading home. We had a great day, a lot of good workout, a lot of hiking, a lot of hunting, but you know, we only got 4 squirrels and a couple of quails. It's fun though. We'll see you guys next time. Bobcat up here. I think it went up there. Dang. Yeah, that's pretty big. Good size bobcat. Dang.